starting off with this yellow shade right here, I'm going to apply that into my crease as our first transition color. And then I'm going to go in with this brown shade by ColourPop and then apply that into my crease. And I'm going to just apply it very heavily. And then I'm going to smoke it out using another blending brush. And then I'll leave everything down in the description box below of everything that I use. This eye is super easy. I just kept going back and forth with the two colors. And then I couldn't decide whether I wanted a blue or a green lid, so I went with the green. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid using my fingers. And then I go in with a nice brush by MAC just to make it a little bit more pigmented. And then at the last minute, I decided I wanted to cut crease before doing concealer. So I just lifted up my eye and kind of carve out where I usually do the cut crease. And then go in back with the brown shade just to smoke it out a little bit more. I did a wing liner using my NYX liner pencil or pen, felt tip. And then going into my skin, I use my MAC and Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. Kind of mix the two colors together because I have a little tan going on. And then I'm just going to contour using my NYX Wonder Stick in Deep. And I'm contouring that nose as well. And then for concealer, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger. And then I'm just going to blend that out using my beauty sponge, a damp beauty sponge. And this is by AOA Studio. So I blend out all my concealer first, and then I go into the contour shade. Just because I don't want any of the darker shades to go into the lighter shades, if that makes any sense. And then to set my concealer in place, I'm going in with my MAC and Patrick Star powder. And then I'm also going to put that on my smile lines as well. And then to bring back some color to my face, I'm going to bronze up a little bit per usual. I think that's like #1 step. And then I'm just going to snatch that nose a little bit. You guys know I really don't contour. I just kind of like putting that depth there so it blends into everything as well, you know. And then for blush, I'm taking the Milani Luminoso blush. Now, I have this for so long, so I wanted to use it all up before I have to throw it out. And I just love this blush. It's so pretty. It goes with like everything. Then setting my face using my NYX Dewy Mist Spray. Going back to the eyes, I'm going in with the Benefit Black Liner and my waterline. And I'm also going to tightline with this as well. Tightlining makes a whole difference, you guys. Like, it's so great. Then I'm going to take that second shade that we put into the crease and blow it out on my lower lash line. And then taking the lid color and also putting that into my inner corners and the first half of my lower lash line. I'm going to be using some mascara for my top and bottom lashes. This is the Smashbox Fan Out Mascara. I actually really love this, you guys. For highlighter, we're going in with the Amrezy highlighter. You know, all over my face. That's just the routine I love to do. And then for my favorite lip liner ever, I'm going to go in with the NYX Nutmeg Liner. And then after I fill in my lips, I'm going to top that off using my Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss. This is just a beautiful combo, you guys. And then for lashes, I'm going to go in with these lashes by a little collaboration with Jasmine. Oh, these lashes are so bomb. Anyway, so that's the completed look, you guys. It's super easy. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that notification button and subscribe. See you guys.